Hello student, how are you all? Okay, fine. Okay, from now in this class we have a new topic, that is the differentiation. Yes, in this class we are going to discuss the differentiation. Okay, the differentiation, that means you will differentiate, okay, if you have the bigger parts, and from that you can find out the elementary. Is it clear? And we also know the integrations we will give. Okay, we will discuss the class of that particulars for integration, but in this class today basically we will discuss the differentiation. Okay, but before this we have to know some rules, and then we will solve the question. You know that in the physics there are so many questions related, okay, this topic, so we should know the formula. And before it we know that there are some, okay, theoreticals explanations, and we have to know what is the theoreticals. You know that if you will discuss the differentiation, then we have to know what is the constant. Yes, constant, you know, the pure number, yes, that cannot change. That means you can say that a quantity whose value remains unchanged. Okay, unchanged during mathematical operations. Whenever you will operate this one, mathematical operation means what? Addition, subtractions, multiplication, division, these are now okay. So whenever you will do like that, on that times you will say that it will not change, that will be the, okay, the constant simple things, you know, that's the numbers, that may be negative or positive, whatever, okay, or it may be the rational also. So you will take the any numbers, okay, that is called the constant. But there one more is the variables, that means the quantity which can take up different values, okay, is called variable. Just like suppose that we have the x, y, z, anything you can take, you know that its value can change during the mathematical operations. Whenever you will operate, you will find out that the value of x, y, z, you will get the different. Whenever you will put this one, either you will do addition, subtraction, or what. Okay, so in the variables it can change their values, but in the constant its value cannot change. Okay, but another we have the functions. What is the function? That means, you know that whenever we do some works, after that what we get some things. Yes, or you can say that a quantity, suppose that y is a function, y is a functions of variable x, y is a function of variable x. If corresponding to any given values of x, there exists a single value of y. It means you can say that suppose that y, we have a quantity, so you can write y equal to function of x, y equal to function of x. Okay, very good. Suppose that we have a machine, okay, and when we put here, after putting, this machine converts. Yes, this machine converts, and finally you get a result. Just like suppose that we have a wooden, or the leaves, dust, we put here, and finally we get the paper. What we get? Paper. Suppose that if we have the sugar cane, finally we get the sugar. Yes, means when you put the sugar cane, and the result is what? What you will get? Any sweets, okay, or sugar, you will get sugar. Suppose that sugar, or any things you can see that when the machines or any things which can convert, which can change initial to the final. Okay, just like the related these ones, we will take so many examples I am going to give, but we have some formula also. What is the formula? First formula, suppose that if we have a c is a constant already I told that constant, that is c is equal to maybe 2, 3, 4, anything. Okay, if like that, if you will differentiate this one, then the differentiation of this constant will always 0. Okay, next we have, if suppose that you have y is equal to c, that means the constant, and u, that is the any variables. Okay, on that you will find out the dy by dx. Okay, so what will be here? C du by dx. It means the constant will, okay, you will write here, and then the variables you will differentiate. Is it clear? Just like suppose that one example, y equal to, suppose that we have x square, y equal to x square, then you will find the dy by dx. So you will write dy by dx equal to, you will multiply this one here, so here will be 2x. Okay, suppose that you have y is equal to 3x to the power 3 plus 2x square plus 2, like that. Find the dy by dx, then you will write dy by dx equal to, multiply this, okay, this power you will multiply and subtract 1. So you will write here 3 3s are 9x square, okay, plus here will be 2 2s are 4 and minus 1 here will be, so 4x, and you know that the constant having, what is the value of dy by dx? If you will differentiate this one, so here will be 0. Okay, or you can write the constant for c. Is it clear? So this will be the correct answer. Suppose that one more example I am going to take related that ones. If you have y is equal to root x, y equal to root x, you take this one and find the value of dy by dx. If you will find out the value of dy by dx, you see that first you will write y is equal to, can we write the root, here will power half, that means the half, can we write? Okay, so you will find the dy by dx, so dy by dx is equal to, you will, I told that you will multiply the power, so multiply here, so here will be half x and half minus 1, then you will write half x to the power, here 1, you take the LCM, here will be 2. Okay, so 1 minus 2. You will write here, what will be the value? Half x to the power minus 1 by 2. Can we write like that? So like that you can solve. Okay, so many questions are there, and another formula we have. See the formula, y is equal to u plus minus v plus minus w. There are 3 variables are there. Then you will find out the dy by dx. dy by dx. So you will write d by dx and write these all terms I have written here. And differentiate this one. So here will be du by dx plus minus dv by dx plus minus dw by dx. Okay, and third we have y is equal to uv, that is the u into v methods. So dy by dx you can write here. You will write first u, first term, so second you can also write, no problem, and you will differentiate another. So dv by dx plus, now you will write this, okay, this one times 1 will be the constant. Okay, so here first time you have taken u, so now you will take here v, so v will constant, then du by dx, so this will be answer. And another, if we had y is equal to u into v, but another we have in the ratio, that is y is equal to u by v, so you will find the dy by dx, that is the, you will take the, yes, square of this denominator, so v is here, you will take the v square. Okay, and first this you will write here as a constant, and then you will write here du by dx, and here is the minus, okay, u dv by dx. And related that we will solve so many questions. Another we have y is equal to x to the power n, then what you will write, dy by dx equal to, you will write d by dx and x to the power n. Can we write here? Now multiply this one, so you will write here n x to the power, yes, n into d x, you will write dx, okay, dx and n to the power n minus 1, this you will write. Okay, very good, and dx. Okay, see, yes, you will find out the dy by dx, then you will write here dy by dx equal to, I told that the power will multiply, so you will multiply n, and here will be n minus 1. Can we write like, here is x to the power, means the power always you will subtract by 1. Okay, so many questions related that we can solve. Okay, Another question I'm going to take. Suppose you have to differentiate, you have the value y is equal to minus 3 by 4 root x plus 6. Then you will find out the dy by dx. So you will write dy by dx equal to, what you will write, minus 3 by 4, and this x you will write power half, can we write plus 6. Okay, so dy by dx equal to, power will multiply and you will subtract by 1. So you will write minus 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 x to the power half minus 1 plus 6. You know that. Again you will find out the differentiation, so here will be 0. But how? Because you will find out dy by dx. So here you will write, what you will write, d by dx. Okay, d by dx. So separately you can write here this one also. Okay, this one also according to first questions, like that. So this will be the 0. So here you can write plus 0 and multiply this one. So here minus 3 by 8 and here will be x to the power what, minus half plus 0. That is the constant, means dy by dx, like that you can find out. Okay, so many questions are there related. We have the trigonometric functions. Okay, sin theta, cos theta, like that. So next class also we will solve some questions. Okay, so I think that you should write. Thank you.